Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the cloud project so authorization works. Create or select a Google Cloud project and configure the OAuth consent screen with app name, support email, and scopes you need. Then create OAuth 2. Zero credentials and choose the right application type, web, desktop, or mobile, and enter exact authorized redirect URI-S. Once done, copy the client ID and client secret. You'll use them in your app's configuration right away to begin the authorization flow. You now implement the core OAuth flow. Redirect users to Google's authorization endpoint with response type equals code, client ID, redirect URI, requested scopes, and a generated state value to prevent CSRF. After the user consents, Google redirects back with a code. Make a server-side post to the token endpoint, including client secret, to exchange that code for access and refresh tokens. Store the refresh token securely and use the access token for API calls, refreshing automatically when the access token expires. You finish by validating tokens and hardening your flow. Verify the ID token's signature and claims like AUD, IS, and EXP so you trust the identity. Use library helpers when possible. Make sure refresh logic, token storage, and logout revoke calls are implemented. If something goes wrong, check common errors like invalid grant or unauthorized redirect URI, reproduce in a dev project, confirm redirect URI exact match, and inspect server-to-server token exchange logs. That single troubleshooting check often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.